Iran, US, Israel. You must have seen all these countries in news since the last 2 months. But did you study them from the perspective of UPSC? Did you look at them from UPSC's POV? अगर नहीं देखा है तो this session is going to help you understand all about Iran from UPSC's perspective using previous year questions as well. तो एक ही वीडियो में in this 20-25 minutes complete lecture, you don't have to gather notes on Iran from any other platform, website, or Telegram community. This one video is enough. And after watching this session, do go to the description box where you will find the link to a Telegram community where I'm going to share all the notes on today's class as well. Enjoy this session. If you have any doubts, do let me know in the comment section. This one video is going to fetch you direct 8 marks in prelims and direct 15 marks in mains, GS paper 2 international relations.
Let us understand about the escalating conflict between US, Israel, Iran, and understand what exactly Iran's POV is and how UPSC looks at Iran from exam point of view. Okay, so we all know when we look at this particular map, हमें यहाँ पर देखकर सबको समझ आता है. Over here you can see that United States and Israel, together they carried out coordinated strikes on Iran. Right? We all know this, and Iran then did retaliatory attacks. Now here, and not just the attack on Israel, but Iran also targeted the GCC states, Gulf Cooperation Council states, right? ये तो हमको पता है सबको. And we also know that over here in the Persian Gulf, the tensions are rising, right? But let us first understand what are the important areas here which you need to basically explore. First important area is Persian Gulf. Write it down. Persian Gulf. Second is Red Sea that you need to make a note on. Third is Strait of Hormuz. ये हो गया third, Strait of Hormuz. ठीक है, these are the areas, key areas, not all the areas together, but key areas that you need to focus on. Then you need to focus on GCC countries, the GCC nations or GCC states. We are going to make a note, right? What is important over here? Now, in the GCC states, what do we have? We have UAE, we have Saudi Arabia, we have Qatar, right? Then what else do we have? Bahrain हमारे पास आ जाता है, Bahrain. Then what else do we have? We had Kuwait. ठीक है, उसके बाद हमारे पास क्या आता है? After Kuwait, we have Oman. And they share Persian Gulf with Iran. They are also caught in the middle of this conflict. Okay. Now, there are non-state actors also which are involved. Non-state actors. Write it down. So, what are the non-state actors? First अपना हो जाएगा Hezbollah. Hezbollah basically, it is aligned with Iran, right? उसके बाद अपने पास आ जाते हैं यहाँ पर Houthis. And on Houthis, questions have been asked in prelims. Prelims में at least 4 marks यहाँ से निकल कर आते हैं. ठीक है, यहाँ पर ये हो जाएगा Lebanon area. And here this would be the Yemen area. ठीक है, यहाँ तक point clear हो गया. Then we have the PMF. What is PMF? PMF basically is Popular Mobilization Forces. Okay. Then यहाँ पर आ जाता है. Next is Kurdish militias. Okay, so Kurdish groups, and we all know यहाँ से भी आपका prelims में 4 marks निकल के आते हैं because Kurds are the world's largest stateless ethnic group. Okay, so they are very important. You have to prepare about them as well. When we talk about Strait of Hormuz basically is a narrow checkpoint. It is a narrow, write it down, checkpoint. Okay, and it is a very important maritime passage between Iran towards the north, Oman and UAE towards the south. Alright, when we talk about Persian Gulf, we know it is a marginal sea. Write it down. It is a marginal sea. It is the Sea of Indian Ocean. Where is it located? West Asia में ये located है. ठीक है, यहाँ तक point clear हो गया. And when we talk about Persian Gulf ना, it is an extension of Gulf of Oman. यहाँ पर आप Gulf of Oman देख पा रहे हो. It is an extension of that. Okay. So this is again important. ये भी important point है. Please write it down. And it connects to the Indian Ocean through Strait of Hormuz. ठीक है. Now it is bordered by क्या कौन सी countries को border करती है? Iran, Oman, United
Arab Emirates, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain,
Kuwait, and Iraq. Please write it down. These are the countries which border it. Now, there is another delta which lies to the northwest of this particular Persian Gulf, which is known as, write it down, Shatt al-Arab Delta.
ये किसी को नहीं पता होता, प्लीज राइट इट डाउन, ठीक है, टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ वेस्ट. नाउ हियर द यूफ्रेट्स रिवर
and the Tigris River, they empty into the Gulf. इस डेल्टा में आके इस गल्फ में they drain themselves, they empty themselves. So this is again important. All right.
Now when we look at Gulf of Oman over here, यहाँ पर अगर हम Gulf of Oman की तरफ भी देखें, here also we need to understand that it is also known as Gulf of Makran. Write it down. इसको Gulf of Makran भी बोलते हैं. And it is a western, write it down, it is a western extension
of the Arabian Sea. Okay, as you can see also, यहाँ देख भी सकते हो. And it basically connects the Arabian Sea to the Strait of Hormuz. Arabian Sea को Strait of Hormuz से connect करवाता है ये Gulf of Oman. ठीक है, यहाँ तक points clear हो गए सभी को. All right, now we have Red Sea. अब हमारे पास आता है Red Sea. तो जब हम Red Sea की बात करते हैं, it is a, write it down, sea water inlet. Okay, between Africa and between Asia, and it is bordered by, write it down, it is bordered by Egypt, it is bordered by Saudi Arabia, bordered by Yemen, bordered by Sudan, Eritrea and Djibouti. ठीक है, यहाँ तक पॉइंट्स क्लियर हो गए. इसको लिख लो. आई एम नॉट रबिंग इट, राइट इट डाउन, देन ओनली आई विल रब इट. ओके, सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. रेड सी बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाती है यहाँ पर. नाउ इन रेड सी यू ऑल्सो हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट रेड सी कनेक्ट्स टू द इंडियन ओशन. वेयर? इन द साउथ. ओके, थ्रू व्हाट? थ्रू, राइट इट डाउन, बेब एल मेंडेब. व्हाट इज बेब एल मेंडेब? इट इज अ स्ट्रेट. एंड through Gulf of Aden. Gulf of Aden. Please write this down. तो ये रेड सी बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट है एफ्रो अरेबियन रिफ्ट सिस्टम का. ठीक है, अब आ जाता है एक और इम्पॉर्टेंट सी यहाँ पर पढ़ने को आती है, विच इज मेडिटेरेनियन सी. मेडिटेरेनियन सी वी ऑल नो इट्स एन इंटरकॉन्टिनेंटल सी. नाउ हियर यू कैन सी वी हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड इंडियन ओशन एज वेल. इंडियन ओशन समझना भी यहाँ पर बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है. इंडियन ओशन बेसिकली इज अ ब्रॉडर ओशियनिक रीजन. यहाँ पर तो इंडिया अपना नेवल पोजीशनिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग कर रही है. ठीक है, तो ये वाली सारी पॉइंट्स आपको समझ आ गए. ऑल राइट, नाउ व्हेन वी लुक एट ईरान, अगर हम ईरान की तरफ देखें, इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एरिया विल ऑल्सो फाइंड डिफरेंट अदर कंट्रीज एंड डिफरेंट अदर एरियाज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सीरिया के अंदर आप देखोगे वी हैव गोलन हाइट्स. गोलन हाइट्स के ऊपर भी क्वेश्चन प्रीलिम्स में आ चुका है. ओके, गोलन हाइट्स बेसिकली इज अ प्लेट्यू. वेयर इज इट? साउथ वेस्टर्न सीरिया में है. ठीक है, रॉकी प्लेट्यू है. एंड द गोलन हाइट्स इट इज बाउंडेड बाय माउंट हरमन. नॉर्थ में गोलन हाइट्स में माउंट, राइट इट डाउन, हरमन आता है. वेयर? टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ. And then there is a very famous river called Yarmouk River. ठीक है, साउथ की तरफ है ये रिवर. ठीक है, it separates Golan Heights from Jordan. Okay, Jordan River, Sea of Galilee. तो ये इंपॉर्टेंट एरियाज है विच यू शुड रिमेंबर फॉर प्रीलिम्स. प्रीलिम्स के परस्पेक्टिव से ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है. नाउ लेट्स मूव फर्दर इनटू ईरान. अब ईरान को और अच्छे से डिटेल में समझते हैं. नाउ व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट ईरान, वेयर इज इट लोकेटेड? आपको पता है it is located in South Western Asia. Okay, point clear हो गया. What is the capital of Iran? Tell me in the comment section. Capital of Iran is Tehran. Tehran is the capital. What are the bordering nations? यहाँ पर ईरान के कौन कौन से हैं? We have Azerbaijan. ठीक है, अजरबैजान आ जाता है बॉर्डरिंग नेशन में. Then what else do we have? और क्या आता है ईरान में बॉर्डरिंग नेशन में? We have Armenia. ठीक है, और क्या आता है? We have Turkmenistan. What else do we have? We have Pakistan over here. Then we have Afghanistan over here. Then we have Turkey over here. ठीक है. Then what else do we have? We have Iraq. These are the bordering nation.
Now when we talk about coastlines, कौन सी seas water bodies के साथ it is sharing coastline? We have Caspian Sea, we have Persian Gulf, we have Gulf of Oman, right? ये important aspect समझ आ गए.
ठीक है. नाउ देर इज एंशंट सेंटर. अगर हम हिस्टोरिकल एस्पेक्ट की बात करें,
ईरान में पर्शियन एम्पायर का एंशंट हिस्टोरिकल सेंटर भी था. एंड विद ईरान देर इज अ Safavid dynasty also which is interlinked. Okay, then we have Pahlavi monarchy. इन्होंने कोशिश की थी ईरान को मॉडर्नाइज करने की. ठीक है, but it was overthrown when in 1979
during the Islamic Revolution, which was led by Ayatollah Khomeini.
Okay, and another important aspect is that Iran also has Zagros Mountains. ठीक है, ये भी बहुत important aspect है which you have to remember. And there is a very famous desert over here which is known as Dasht-e-Kavir. Okay, Dasht-e-Lut and Dasht-e-Kavir, very important desert, large deserts माने जाते हैं. And there is a very important water body which is known as Lake Urmia. ठीक है, this is an important water body. Then we have different rivers in Iran, which is River Karun, River Sefid. So these are important rivers in Iran. So you have to remember all these important aspects when it comes to Iran. क्योंकि यही चीज़ें आपके prelims में कब questions के form में आ जाए आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. You won't even remember how, you would be surprised how UPSC can ask questions, 2-marker questions from Iran.
ठीक है, यहाँ तक पॉइंट क्लियर हो गया. सो दीज आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट्स अबाउट ईरान दैट यू मस्ट रिमेंबर.
Make a note of it, and on our Telegram community I am sharing complete notes on Iran that you must have in your IR. Okay, so इसलिए उन नोट्स को फटाफट से सेव कर लेना आप लोग. Thank you so much. Let me know if a similar video of important places, important bordering nations should I make on Israel also. Let me know in the comment section.